Standing at the base of the towering mountain, the air crisp and thin, I feel a surge of excitement and determination coursing through my veins. The challenge ahead looms large, but I am ready. Ready to push my body to its limits, to test my strength and endurance in ways I never have before. As I begin my ascent, each step is a deliberate movement, a calculated effort to propel myself higher and higher. The weight of my gear on my back serves as a constant reminder of the task at hand, but I welcome the challenge. The muscles in my legs burn with each step, but I push through the discomfort, knowing that this is how they will grow stronger. The terrain is unforgiving, rocky and steep, but I navigate it with a sense of purpose. My hands grip the rough surface of the mountain, my fingers finding purchase in the crevices and cracks as I pull myself upward. The strain in my arms and shoulders is intense, but I welcome it as a sign of progress, a sign that I am pushing myself beyond my limits. As I continue my climb, the landscape around me shifts and changes. The air grows colder, the wind more biting, but I press on. My breath comes in ragged gasps, my heart pounding in my chest, but I do not falter. I am a mountain climber, and this is what I was born to do. With each passing moment, I feel my body growing stronger, more resilient. The muscles in my legs, once trembling with fatigue, now feel like steel beneath my skin. My lungs, once struggling for air, now expand and contract with ease, taking in the thin mountain air as if it were nothing. As I reach the summit, a sense of euphoria washes over me. The world stretches out before me, a vast expanse of beauty and wonder. I am on top of the world, a conqueror of mountains, a testament to the power of the human spirit. But as I stand there, taking in the breathtaking view, I know that this is not the end of my journey. This is just the beginning. For a mountain climber is never truly satisfied, never truly done. We are always seeking the next challenge, the next peak to conquer, the next opportunity to push ourselves to our limits and beyond. And so, with a sense of pride and determination, I begin my descent. The muscles in my body still burning, my endurance still being tested, but with a newfound sense of purpose. For I am a mountain climber, and there is nothing in this world that can stand in my way.